Want to know who's subscribing to your YouTube channel? In this video, I'll show you how you can see the names of your subscribers on YouTube using just your computer. First, open your YouTube channel on your computer. Then, from the menu, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel's dashboard. On the left side, click Dashboard. Here, you'll see a box called Recent Subscribers. This shows the most recent people who subscribe to your channel. Now click on See All in that box. A pop-up window will open showing a full list of your subscribers. You can sort them by most recent or by highest subscriber count. Remember, you'll only see subscribers who have made their subscriptions public. If someone has kept their subscriptions private, their name won't appear in this list. The list shows the subscriber's channel name and, usually, the date they subscribed. Clicking their name opens their channel page. And that's it. That's how you can easily see the names of your subscribers on YouTube using your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips.